Alrighty, so we're going to pick up where we left off. We've got our dreams, animated dreams. There's the framework. So now I'm going to talk about the rollovers, which is these four buttons and this section. So I'm going to click here in my link. This is actually roll one. So right here, right there is roll one. Okay. And what I'm going to do is insert an image that I can use as my main, these four are going to be all the same. So what I'm going to use is this good food JPEG right here. So I'm going to go up here to insert image, good food. All right, so there it is. I look at my rubric and I know that I need it to be 125 by 125. In fact, I'm going to make it 120 by 120. Well, we're going to go ahead and crank that up to 5. 125 it is. And I can get rid of my alt tag. Okay, so there's my first image. And me knowing that I can copy and paste, I'm going to take that whole section right there, copy it, and paste it there, and there, and there. All right, so there's my 4 images there. I need 1 image in here as well. This is my view screen. So I put my cursor right here so I can insert an image. And I know I want it to be this image right here. I need to check my size, 550 by 375. And I can get rid of my alt tag. All right. So there are the 5 images that are used in my rollovers. Okay. And notice also I have all these other images over here that I'm going to use to change these over as I roll over them with the mouse. But to do that, I need to name all 5 images. So you can see that right now I'm on the dreams. So I'm going to name this one view. And notice it called it view there. Now I'm going to come down here to this one, to my roll 4. Click on my roll 4. There we go. If you click up in the code, it'll pop this up. So we're going to call this switch 4. Click out of it. And you can see my, hopefully it changed. It did. There's switch 4. Okay, so then I go to my roll 3. This is going to be switch 3. Come up here to my roll 2. And in my ID, I'm going to type in switch 2. 1 to go. Here's my top one. Switch 1. All right, so there's my 4 switches and my rollover on my viewer, my view rollover. So here's how I get to, I go back up here, let's go back to roll 1 and select it. Come up here to window, behaviors. Open that up and hit plus. Swap image. So I'm going to swap this image for one of the other images in my file. We'll swap it with a burger. But then I also want to switch this image, the view screen. That needs to roll over at the same time. But I'm going to roll that over to a place. And I'm going to hit OK. All right, and I keep doing that all the way through. So let's go to roll 2. Swap image. In roll 2, I'm going to swap it for, no, let's swap it for tacos. And then I change my view screen to something else. And hit OK. I'm going to do this twice more. Roll 3. Here's my image. Behavior. Swap image. I want it to be, I don't know, let's make it Northwoods Inn. And we'll change view screen to wingsuit. And hit OK. We got 1 to go. Roll 4. Click in front of the code. Swap image. Browse. Key lime pie. And we're going to switch view screen to an ocean view. And hit OK. I'm going to save this before I lose it. Make sure it's in the right folder. And let's go test it out. Right click, open it with Explorer. Allow my blocked content. For some reason that one's sticking, but you get the idea.